Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best radar detectors for the money on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Cobra RAD 450 Laser Radar Detector. Back to more affordable options, the Cobra RAD 450 is the final detector on our list. It uses Cobra's patented IVT filter TM system, which reduces false alerts from sources like collision avoidance systems. It's a long-range detector with a range of at least 2 miles on flat, open conditions. The Cobra RAD 450 can detect from both front and rear with its advanced laser eye sensor and seeks out X, K, and Ka bands with signal strength indicator, laser, and VG2 signals. In flat, open conditions the range is at least 2 miles. Please note that shorter range can occur if the officer is hiding behind a hill, around a curve, or if the officer is using an instant-on radar gun. High-quality display features band identification icons and numeric signal strength meter for an accurate and informed drive. There is also digital voice announcements that provide band identification and easy-to-understand alerts, allowing the driver to keep their eyes on the road. On the front of the detector is an OLED display that's easy to read. Number 2. Our second best pick is Escort Passport S55 Radar Detector Extended Long Range. This is the latest addition to the Passport lineup of radar detectors from Escort. Touted as one of the most advanced, high-performance radar and laser detectors on the market, the Passport S55 offers long-range warning on all radar and laser bands, long-range K and Ka bands, including instant-on pop mode. One exclusive feature on this device is auto-sensitivity, which intelligently filters out false alarms. You can also choose between highway, auto, and auto no X settings. Compatible with Escort Live, this radar detector provides access to an exclusive, real-time ticket protection network that warns you of upcoming alerts received and reported by other users in the area. It also gives you access to local speed limit data for overspeed alerts. Customization settings include power on indication, meter type, auto mute, brightness level, audio tones, and selectable radar. Number 3. Our third best pick is Radenso XP Radar Detector with less false alerts. Even by just looking at our list of recommendations, you can probably tell that there are just a few brands that dominate the radar detector market. Radenso may not be as well known as brands such as Cobra and Whistler, as the company was founded in 2012, but the Radenso XP is a great option with plenty of features. Designed to alert up to several miles away, the Radenso XP is designed to deal with today's modern technologies on the road, filtering out false alerts from systems like blind spot monitors, radar cruise control, and traffic sensors. It covers several bands including Ka, K, and Pop, displaying all the necessary information through an OLED display. It also uses GPS lockout to remember common false alerts along regular routes, further removing false alerts. This unit also supports voice alerts with 260 different messages, selectable radar bands, the ability to display up to 3 signals, and has a built-in red light and speed camera database with lifetime free updates. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Cobra XRS 9370 High Performance Radar Detector. One of the more affordable radar/laser combination detectors available, the Cobra XRS 9370 offers good performance for the price. It features super-fast sweep circuitry to provide extra detection range and advanced warning to even the fastest radar guns. The detector also has VG2 and Spectre alert, while pop mode detects the latest radar gun. POP users can select between city and highway modes to reduce the frequency of false warnings in densely populated urban areas. Highway modes allow the user to select an operating mode which reduces the frequency of falsing in densely populated urban areas. The compact unit detects all 14 radar or laser bands including laser eye 360-degree detection, KU band detection, and has an ultra-bright display for easy recognition of the band detected. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Escort Passport 9509 Long-Range National Coverage. The Escort Passport 9509 is more expensive than most radar detectors, but it's also one of the highest rated and most popular on Amazon. The unit delivers long-range warning on all radar bands including X, K, super-wide Ka, and instant on-pop modes. It features multiple front and rear laser sensors, providing 360-degree protection. Helping prevent against false alarms from automatic door openers, motion sensors, and other radar-based sensors is the Passport 9509's GPS-powered intelligence. The detector also comes pre-loaded with thousands of red light and fixed-position speed camera locations throughout North America. This detector is also compatible with Escort Live, an award-winning app that warns of upcoming alerts received and reported by other users in the area. The app also gives access to local speed limit data for overspeed alerts. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.